Hi, I'm Dan Weingartz, and welcome to Wednesdays with Weingartz. Today I'm going to talk to you about the brand new Honda HRN-BV Battery Powered Mower. I just want to say, a couple of years ago, there was a little bit of an uproar in our stores because the long-standing line of Honda lawnmowers that had been a customer favorite for over a decade were discontinued. And Honda stopped making them, and so actually at that time we bought as many of them as we could get, and sold through them for about a year after they had been discontinued because they were such a popular model of lawnmower. Well, we're proud to say that Honda has brought that entire chassis back into a battery-powered mower with the same power and torque as the Honda engine that this mower was famous for. So they've made it a point that this new electric motor that they put on this mower will provide the same power and torque that they had on their old Honda engines that were on those mowers. And then the same feature set. Really, this is the same mower now in a battery-powered mower. The Honda Smart Drive system, which gives you the ability to infinitely vary your speed right at the point of control here, and so you can just with your thumbs kind of be able to control, or the palm of your hand, control your speed. The clip director, which gives you the ability to have mulching, bagging, or side discharge with really just the flip of a lever. Easy fold handles, where you just got the two pins that you can, for storage, be able to flip that over, as well as a two-lever height adjustment system. So you got your front wheels and your rear wheels. You don't have to do each wheel, one for the front and one for the rear. And then always, the thing that made Honda mowers so loved was the dual blade cutting system. Gives you really a lot of the best of both worlds. You've got a blade that's designed really for mulching, and that is cutting the clippings up more finely, and then a high lift blade that's helping that when you're bagging, you get great suction and get a great quality of cut. So really, you don't have to switch blades. You can use this two-blade system and really get great results whether you're mulching or bagging and not have to make any changes. So we're really happy to see this Honda mower back. The battery on this is rated for about 30 minutes in normal mowing conditions using the self-propelled, so enough to get a standard yard done. And there's some other battery options if you need a little bit longer life. But very excited to have the Honda lawnmower that was so beloved in our showroom for a very long time back, and now back in a battery-powered electric mower. And I just want to thank you for spending the time and learning a little bit about this new Honda HRN-BV today.